What's going on, guys? Writing a product review is one of the best method to generate affiliate sales. You know that 70%, more than 70% Americans read a product review before purchasing any product. Maybe that is a software product or any kind of physical product like weight loss products. They read first the review of the product on Google and then they will purchase the product. So writing a product review is a robust method. It's a very good method to generate affiliate sales. So in today's video, I will tell you about how you can write a high converting product review for any kind of product like software products, weight loss products or any other products. So with that said, let's get started. This is my blog highqualityreview.net where I have written the complete points that how you can write a high converting product review. So how to write a high converting product review? Few points you need to know before writing a product review. So what are those points? First, you need to know and you have a review access of the product. Review access in case of software products, because in case of physical products you cannot give any review access. What is review access? Review access is nothing but you can provide a demo of that software products. For example, I am telling you, right, any product we can choose from Oriel Plus network or JVU network. Most of the products inside the JV page they provide a review access. Like any products what I have already approved, like Crypto Profit app. Here you will find the JV page. Inside JV page you will find the JV document. Most of the products they will provide these things, this review access. If they don't provide the review access, you have to contact to the vendor. You can write an email or you can contact through Skype or through Facebook that you need a review access. Review access is very much important before writing any product review, any software product review. Here you will find, like here it is. They have given that review access here. So let's check. This is the page and they have given the username and the password. Password is promote. Sorry for the outside noise there. Yeah, here you will find that review access. What is this? This is the inside the members area. After purchasing this product, people will come to this inside there. But you will get this absolutely free from inside the JV page from and the inside JV document. Here you will get dashboard, tutorials, each and everything whatever inside that product. So you need a review access first. What you will do that review access, you need to produce a demo, a complete demo, and you can create a video and later on you can embed that video in your product inside your blog product review. Or if you don't want to create a video, you need to find out the official demo video. You can embed those official demo video. For example, like this product, this particular product, what I have written inside my blog, Crypto Profit app. Here I have embedded a video. Here inside this video, people will find
Welcome to
people will find each and everything of that particular product demo. But if you don't find a demo there, you can create a demo by your own through that review access, and you can embed your own video there. But if you don't want to create any videos for that, you can you can put some screenshots that how it works. These things are very much important because people wants to know that how that product works, how easy it is. So that's all about the review access. The next is gather knowledge about the product. You need to know the everything about the product. Before writing a product, you must know everything about the product. Otherwise, you cannot write a good product review. Sorry. And the third point is be honest in your review. Do not push or hype. Few cases I have seen that even if it is a not that much good product, or they are creating a hype that is a very good product like that, and they are writing by their own something extra. But don't do that. If it is whatever you're thinking and what you, after the review access, getting review access, you go inside all the things, and after doing a proper research work, you can come to a conclusion that how the product is and give your honest opinion there. Don't push or hype it. These are the three things you need to know first. And the next point is how to structure your writing, that how you can structure your, that is there is no such rules that how need to structure your writing, that these are the points is absolutely required or not. It's not like that. You can go through that some good product review website, you can go through how they are writing, but don't copy them. Okay, don't absolutely copy them. Write your own absolutely, that how they are writing, and you can copy their structure, and you definitely change something inside their structure. And I have listed out here some points that you must include inside that what are the things you need to include while writing a high converting product review. First one is small introduction. Need to put a small introduction about the product, that beginners that how to, that introduction to require the beginning to start a product review. One thing a prospective buyer wants to know whether the product is for them. The product is for whom? That means that product is particularly for that kind of buyers or not. You need to put a few introduction steps, a small paragraph there. And next is the vendor. Like for that particular product, I have written a few introduction inside that. What are the product? What is the product? How it works? And what are the basic features? All I have included. Next is vendor. I have put that. Next is the introduction to the vendor. That what is the vendor name, and how, what is the qualification, and how they are working for how many days. That means what is the experience of the vendor, and what are the previous products they launched on that particular network, like ODL plus JVG or any other network, ClickBank, Digistore24, whatever the network you are choosing to giving a product review. That you need to provide that what are the details of that vendor you need to provide, and that exciting features. That means why the people will buy that product, what are the features and what are the benefits of those features. You need to include those, that I have included there. That what inside that crypto app profit app, the best free crypto traffic built in. These are the points I have included. That brand customization, scale it unlimited. These are the points I have included as a feature of that particular product. So the next point is how the product works. That products is easy or it is difficult. Is there any learning curve or not? Get the review access and describe how the product works in details. You need to describe in detail how the product works. and absolutely you inside include that pros and cons, because people wants to know what are the benefits, and also include the cons. Don't only include the pros only. You need to include the cons also, and be honest on this point, because people also wants to know about that pros and the negative points of that particular product. That I have included that pros and one con I have included in this review. You can see that. So keep in mind, always include one or two cons also with the pros. And why people will purchase, that is very much important, that people, why should people purchase that particular product, you need to include that. And that price details, I have included the price details here. That first you need to include the front end price and what are the upsells are there. In case of physical product and also for digital product, you need to include the all the purchase. For a weight loss product, you need to include the front end price. That means that if there is one bottle, three bottle, six bottle like capsules are there, you have to include that price for one bottle, and what are the price for three bottle, and what are the price for six bottle, whatever the given inside that sales page, you need to include there the price details. And the customer support, you need to be very much honest in this case of customer support. Customer support is a major criteria for purchasing any product, from any kind of product online, because people wants to know that this how the customer support is. After purchasing of the product, they will get support or not, you have to be include those things there, because if you put that they have a excellent support like that, and after that purchasing the product, people, if the people not get those kind of supports from their end, from the vendor end, then you will be in a negative point, because your website will be in negative point, because people will lose trust from your website, people will not come again to your website. So put the honest opinion how that customer support is. And next is worth buying or not, is really worth, that means whatever the paying money for that particular is really worth or not, you need to provide. And the money back guarantee, most of the cases for software product or for physical product, weight loss product, the vendors provides a money back guarantee. Maybe it is a 3 month money back, 6 month money back, some cases they are provide 180 days money back, and a few cases they are provide 365 days, 1 year money back guarantee. So what are the money back guarantees and day period? And few cases they provide that unconditional money back guarantee. And if people ask that, oh no, I don't like this product, they will immediately refund their money by only giving one mail. If customer put a mail that I don't like the product, refund the money, they will refund the money. And some cases not like that, some cases they will ask the reason, some cases vendor will ask the reason that why customer are want a money back. If they will try to solve their problem, what are the issues facing the customer, they will try to solve their problem. If they cannot solve their problem, then only they will refund the money. So those things you need to include. There is an unconditional money back guarantee, or there is a conditional money back guarantee, or what are the time period of that money back guarantee. And definitely you need to include a final conclusion of the product, that what you think about the product, how effective it is, and definitely you need to include. So those are the 11 points you need to include for structure, to structure out your that product review. So I would say that this maybe this video will be helpful for you before whenever you write a product review. So follow these 11 points. So if you like this video, definitely like my video, and also hit the bell notification and subscribe my channel, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So that's all about today. Thank you. Bye bye.